Hey guys, uh, so today we're going to do yet another ACT word problem, math word problem, and it's a pretty simple one, but let's just get started. So what is the degree measure of the smaller of the two angles formed by the line and the ray shown in the figure below? So here's the line right here, and then this over here is the ray. Let's put this in a different color. If I can do it, pen settings, medium point, let's say green color. Okay, so this over here is the ray. So the line in green and the ray, the line in blue and the ray in green with the arrow. Okay, so one thing that we have to remember in order to find these two angles, 4x plus 6 and 2x, one thing we got to remember is that a line adds up to 180 degrees. In other words, 4x plus 6 and 2x will both add up to 180 degrees because this line over here is 180 degrees and 4x plus 6 and 2x make up the line. So this becomes a simple algebra problem. If I can just change my color, pen settings back to, we'll put black in this case. 4x plus 6 plus 2x equals 180. Now all you got to do is solve this algebra problem. Add these like terms together, 6x plus 6 equals 180. Okay, so 180 minus 6 is 174. 6x equals 174. And then you divide 174 by 6 and you get 174 divided by 6. And of course you can do this with a calculator, but I elect to do it with my hand right now. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract, get 5, and then you take the 4 down, and you get 6 times 9 is 54. So the correct answer should be 29 degrees. Well, actually, no, that's a catch. There's a catch to that. Look at what it says. It's looking the smaller of the two angles. I almost fell for that trap. We are looking for either what 4x plus 6 equals or 2x. We're not looking for x. So we found that x equals 29. X equals 29. Obviously 2x will be less or smaller than 4x plus 6. So 2 times 29, 29 times 2 will be the degree value of the smaller angle. 29 times 2, and if you calculate it correctly, it should be 58. And the answer is D. Bam! That was a pretty simple problem. All you got to remember is that this line over here is 180 degrees. And this ray, no matter what, 4x plus 6, the angles made by this ray has to equal 180 degrees because this ray intersects this line over here. 4x plus 6 plus 2x equals 180 degrees. Then we just solve it like a simple algebra problem, find the x value, and be careful to view what it asks for. It asks for the smaller of the two angles. It doesn't ask for the value of x. It asks for the smaller of the two angles. And the smaller of the two angles is either 4x plus 6 or 2x. Well, in this case, it's 2x. So multiply by 2, multiply x by 2, and figure out your answer. Boom, bam, done. And yeah, that was a pretty simple problem once you got to know how to do it. Please do subscribe. If there are any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at debarshikunduzero@gmail.com. DEBARSHIKUNDU0@gmail.com. Thank you and have a great day.